Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. Although the monthly chart has not made any significant change versus the already established boundaries, on the weekly we do see a change with the last week's excess now erased here at the bottom, stopping less than 4 handles from the key 2802. On the daily, we saw continuation from the already exposed weakness that we saw yesterday. Remember, we said it was very telling that the market, despite moving up after the daily excess on Monday, it couldn't establish value, not even overlapping with Tuesday. So we saw continuation of that weakness and we completed the rotation down to the range low. We have an important change here recorded as all excesses on the daily and the weekly have now been erased. So this changed the intermediate auction. Well, the intermediate auction is still balancing here, but the immediate auction now is very bearish. The low from today is not very reliable though. It is less than 4 handles from the key 2802, and as we will see in a second in the market profile, it has a very questionable excess of only 2 ticks. So when we move to the market profile, we see a market gapping down around 20 handles and driving down despite a very short overnight session. That's a clear indication of weakness. We only left 1 tick above the open and we continue down the whole day. Despite some responsive buying at some key areas like 28.1575, which was May 15 low, the overall sentiment was persistent through the session. It was only after midday that we saw the market probably getting a little bit too short, and the reason we say this is because there was lack of extension from the H low despite continuous selling from the 28.15 area. Every time we went there, they sold, but they were not making it further lower. So towards the end of the session, that probably caused some short covering, and that's the jump that we saw towards the end. So now we need to assess if that jump was that the short covering, or if there will be buyers jumping in. So our immediate focus is on assessing continuation or lack of it from from Thursday's move, with the 2 ticks at the bottom, plus the weak structure that we know is present below on the 2802 and the overall 2800 area. That I think that makes good odds for continuation lower. If we have acceptance above the afternoon high at 28.24, that will denote change and will bring probably into play Thursday's high. That will pause the immediate auction down, but as you know, anything can happen because odds are just odds. Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information offered by Grasping the Market is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute or replace investment advice. Grasping the Market accepts no liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from the use or reliance on such information.